nanotechnology is the use of very small materials at the nanoscale to make new products and new processes. And here's a little image of the nanoscale. Your finger's a millimetre thick, if we look at the fingernail there. And if we go down 1,000-fold, we reach the size of a blood cell. And if we go down again to another 10, we reach the nanometer scale. Viruses are about 100 nanometers. So in nanotechnology, we're working with things, new materials, smaller than a virus, but bigger than the atom. So that's the nanoscale. And we're making lots and lots of nano products. And here are some of the materials that we're using. Carbon fullerenes, which we can have as spheres or as long tubes. Metal and metal oxide nanoparticles, which we add to consumer products, as well as composite materials. Now, what are we doing with these materials? Well, we're doing lots of different things, but here are some of the products that are out there now. For example, we're using nanosilver as an antimicrobial in clothing. So you can go into Marks and Spencer's and buy non-smelly socks. We're using titanium dioxide nanoparticles as a whitening agent in paints and foods to enable them to be whiter and self-cleaning. And we're using nanotech in medical devices, so new stronger medical implants using titanium alloys. We're using iron nanoparticles for improved medical imaging. And we're using these carbon nanotubes for making the frame of the aircraft, the A380. These are the strongest, lightest materials that we're able to make. 117 times stronger than steel, but light as a feather. So those are some of the applications. And we're not just thinking about it here, but in other parts of the world. So clean water technology in Africa and India. And it doesn't stop. We're making new medicines, new electronics, new food products and food safety products and veterinary products. So lots and lots of things in nanotechnology can be useful to us, but there's always a word of caution. With every new technology comes responsibility for it. And we started nanotech with some really good intentions, but we need to be careful about where it goes.